In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal through your banking system and link your account to import transactions automatically. This process will simplify your financial management by seamlessly transferring transaction data into your banking platform, saving you time and reducing the odds of manual errors. So, let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to log into your banking account. Ensure you're on a secure internet connection as you enter your credentials for your privacy and protection. Once logged in, navigate to the Banking or Financial Management section. Every bank may refer to this section slightly differently, but essentially you're looking for where you generally manage your financial accounts. Here, you should see a feature that allows linking external accounts. You might need to browse through a few tabs, but don't worry. Once you find the link that says Connect PayPal or a similar option, click on it. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your PayPal details to establish a secure connection between your bank and PayPal. Make sure you have your PayPal login information handy. Enter your PayPal credentials carefully, as an incorrect entry may delay the process. Once logged in, you may need to provide additional consent to allow the banking software to access your PayPal transactions. This permission is crucial because it enables the bank to automatically retrieve your transaction data, so make sure to review any terms and conditions before proceeding. After you've successfully linked the two accounts, the next step involves configuring how your transactions will be imported. Some banking systems provide settings to filter the type of transactions you want to be imported or to schedule how frequently the import should occur. At this stage, customize the settings according to your preference. Whether you select daily, weekly, or monthly imports, ensuring that it fits your financial tracking needs is key. Regular imports can help you stay on top of your financial activities without needing to manually enter each transaction. Once your preferences are set, most systems will provide a confirmation screen to review your settings. Double check all the information to ensure everything is connected correctly. This confirmation acts as a reassurance that automatic imports will happen as you've planned. Usually, you won't need to make further changes unless your circumstances change or if you want to alter your settings. Lastly, it's always a good idea to test the connection. Check to see if the transactions are importing correctly by either viewing your transaction history in the banking system or checking a recent PayPal transaction to ensure it appears accurately in your linked account. If you encounter any hitches along the way, refer to your bank's support section or contact their customer service for help. And that's it. You've successfully connected PayPal